Good day. Can you find the sum of this number series in just a few seconds? That will be our lesson today. For our first example, we will consider the series 1 to 10. We will call 1 as the first term, 10 as the last term. We will use two methods to solve this problem. One is repeated addition, and the second technique we will be using multiplication. We will discuss first the addition method, followed by the multiplication method. Now, we will add the first and the last term. The sum is 11. Next step is to add all these 11. The next step is to divide the sum by 2. Is 55. Now let's discuss on the technique 2 using multiplication. Let's identify the first and the last term. Now let's find the number of terms. Last term minus the first term plus 1. Now let's find the sum of the first and the last term. Now let us find the sum of all the terms. Do they have the same answer? Yes, of course. Let's take another example. Sum of the first and the last term is 10. 9 times 10 is equal to 90, divided by 2 is equal to 45. Discuss the second method. Number of terms is equal to 9. Sum of the first and the last term is equal to 10. To get the sum of all the terms, 10 times 9 divided by 2 is equal to 45. Therefore, the sum of all the terms from 1 to 9 is equal to 45. Let's go to example 3. (11) is the sum of the first and the last term. Finally, the sum of series 2 to 9 is 44. 44 is the final answer. Go to example 4. Time is 54. Number series 5 to 10 is equal to 45. this video, we will be having a short quiz on a specific topic. It is shortened to 10 items only, and you are expected to finish in 30 seconds. There will be no answer keys, for they will be discussed with your teacher. Label your answers with the video ID and the date when you took the quiz. Good luck! This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Ito ay libreng serbisyo mula sa inyong lingkod para sa kabataang Pilipino. Para makamit ang tagumpay, kailangan tulong-tulong tayo. Upang maging epektibo ang iyong pag-aaral, kailangan i-monitor ninyo ang speed ng bawat take ng exam. Ready? Item number 1. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 2. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 3. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 4. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 5. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 6. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 7. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 8. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 9. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 10. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Congratulations! Now let us wait for your teacher to discuss these items. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.